Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, guys, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, you can click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting this week on gold. I'll go to do an in-depth analysis on what we should be expecting on gold. So I want you to actually stay to the end because I'll do top-down analysis and I'll explain why we'll be expecting such movements on gold for this week and up and week and next 3 weeks. But before I go that, to those of you that we're actually asking for this mentorship, we've now actually launched this our online mentorship right now, whereby if you are actually a struggling trader, you can now become one of a profitable trader because we'll be teaching you how to analyze charts. These are some of these courses we'll be looking at, and more we'll be looking at more because not all the courses can fit in all these things. We'll be looking at more, meaning if you are interested, you can now go to the link in the comment section. You will see the link to the Patreon channel. Subscribe to the mentorship because we looking at how to analyze strategies you can use if you trade gold, right? How to trade gold like a professional. That is exactly what we'll be doing, both the fundamental, the technical, and the sentimental aspects of trading gold. We will look at it and every other indicators, the indicators that works best on gold, also Nasdaq 100, WTI, also currencies, and natural gas, any other thing you trade. We will be analyzing it. We will look at the sentimental aspect of it, everything you will ever need to become profitable. That is exactly what we'll be doing. We are actually going to be starting this mentorship very soon, so you can now go to the link in the comment section. You can subscribe to the link or go to our Telegram channel, follow us on Telegram, so you will learn more on what we'll be expecting, or you can look to DM us. Just go to the Telegram channel. You will see the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section, and you can chat with us and learn more on what to be watching out for. And if you also want to subscribe, the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So subscribe and you'll get this. Now, back to this our analysis on gold. Let's start with the higher time frame, on the weekly time frame. So let's start with something like this. Let's now take a look at this. First of all, if you know that this is November, December period. We all know that during this period is always a bad month for DXY or our USD index. I usually say it, I've been saying it even before. I think I've been saying it since around September, right? September, October period. I've been saying it that during November and December, DXY usually it's always a bad month for DXY because during that month DXY tends to fall, and we all know what happens if DXY or our USD falls. Definitely, any other pairs we are trading to our USD will definitely go bullish. This is one of the reasons why we'll be expecting bullish move this month and next month on gold. So that is why if you want to learn more on trading gold, you definitely need to subscribe on the mentorship because we'll be putting you through and explain to you what you should be expecting. Now, on this our DXY, we're expecting drop right on DXY, meaning gold will go bullish. Now, take a look at this. What can you see here? You can see that this is the key level, which we will take as the resistance level here. This is also a key level, which we will take as resistance. And this is also a key level, which we will take as a resistance level, right? Now, you can see key level here, which we will take as the support. This is also a key level that we can take as the support level. This is also key level that we will take as the support, and this is the key level that we will take as the support level. Now we can see that when price came to this resistance level, we had a drop, right? This drop was supposed to head straight to this our support level on the technical aspect of it. It is supposed to head straight to this our support level. But we all know, like I said, every November, December is always a bad month for DXY. DXY usually fall within that period. So this is one of the reasons why we kind of had like a rejection from this level, which I actually predicted. If you were watching this, following me correct, if you have been following me back to back, I literally said that gold will drop to a level of 1810, which it actually did. And I also told you guys that from 1810 we would head straight to this a level of 1981. We can see it, gold eventually did that. Then this is a pullback. What is gold now doing next? Gold is now giving us a bullish move. Thereby, we will be expecting another bullish move this week that we are predicting for. So let's watch out for a level of 2007. Currently, gold is trading at, if I'm not wrong, 1980, right, to a level of 1981. That is where gold is actually trading at. Now, if you take a look at this, right, you will see that there is kind of like a key level here, which gold is literally dropping. We can see this is the first impulse move, higher highs, This is an higher lows. This is a new higher highs. This is an higher lows. This is a new higher highs. Guess what? An higher lows is playing out, which is this. So once this higher lows is plays out finish, we'll be going bullish. And take a look at it. You can see that this place was once a support level. This zone was once a support level here, right? You can see market broke above it. We can see once market broke above it, we need price to give us a pullback to test that same level. This is what market has done. It has come to test this level. So anytime soon, gold will start going bullish. So watch out for a buy this week. Now, can it drop a bit? Absolutely, gold can drop a bit. There's no doubt. So watch out for it. Gold can actually drop a bit before it starts going bullish, or once market opens it will start pushing up from it, because we can see that there is kind of like a rejection at this level. It is becoming weaker. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We can see about 8 candlestick on the 1 hour time frame at this level here, which is, it is failing to push down here. That is an indication that price wants to push up, so watch out for it. Anytime soon gold will start pushing up, and absolutely can drop a bit, not much, just a bit, before it starts pushing up. So basically, if you want to learn how to trade gold like a professional, I mean you are a gold trader, you definitely want to be on this online mentorship, because we are not going to be doing 6 months or 7 months or a yearly plan. No, everything will be covered within 1 2 months, maximum 3 months. Maximum of 3 months, you will learn everything between 1 or 2 months. That is it. You learn everything between 1 and 2 months, between 1 month or 2 months, maximum of 3 months. We are not going to be offering 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. Now everything will be taught to you. We are not going to be dragging it along. That means everything in trading gold is exactly what we are going to teach you. So you definitely want to be on this online mentorship. You will find a link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. So once you subscribe, you will get access to those our mentorship program.